The pre-prepared meal industry was once a thriving industry, hailed as a must-have on the dining table. In just a few years, consumers' attitudes toward pre-prepared meals have shifted from admiration to disdain. Net profits have plummeted by over 50% and 45 franchise stores have closed in 6 months. In 2024, several pre-prepared meal giants faced plummeting stock prices, declining performance, and store closures. In July 2024, 15 Beijing restaurants formed an anti-pre-prepared meal alliance, expressing their rejection of the fast food culture. Restaurant chains announced closures of central kitchens, resolutely distancing themselves from pre-prepared meals. Restaurants known for their freshly prepared dishes are emerging across the country. Chains have made their open kitchens featuring freshly prepared dishes their signature offerings. Beijing's revenue decreased 21.53% to 327 million yuan, with net profit dropping 43.37%. Over 100 stores were closed, with other companies also facing declining performance. The pre-prepared meal market is now a world of difference from its rapid development years ago. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.